Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis.
Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. Today, let's learn how Chen Meng practices multi-ball training with Coach Ma Lin. Coach Ma Lin serves the multi-ball, and Chen Meng uses her backhand topspin to attack the ball. You can see that physical quality feels stronger than that of male amateur players, and the muscle sense is too strong. Chen Meng deserves to be the Olympic champion, really strong. Multi-ball training for backhand. Multi-ball training is an excellent way to improve your backhand in table tennis. Here are the steps you can follow for a basic multi-ball backhand training. Set up a table tennis table and have a coach or training partner with a bucket of table tennis balls. Stand on the backhand side of the table and get into your ready position. The coach or partner should feed balls to your backhand, one after the other, in rapid succession. Try to hit each ball back as quickly and accurately as possible. After hitting several balls, take a few steps to your right and repeat the process, so you are practicing hitting backhands from different positions. Focus on maintaining proper technique, keeping your wrist firm and using your legs and hips to generate power in your shots. Vary the speed and placement of the balls to challenge yourself and simulate game-like situations. Take short breaks to rest and recover between sets, and gradually increase the number of balls and the speed of the feed as you improve. With consistent practice, multi-ball training can help you improve your backhand technique, speed, and accuracy, making you a more effective table tennis player. Multi-ball training for forehand. Chen Meng is practicing the small ball on the table and the footwork. She is preparing for the Paris Olympics 2024 with Coach Ma Lin. Coach Ma Lin is using his penholder skills to train the delicate ball technique on the table. He will give the ball to the random position, one to the forehand, one to the backhand. And Chen Meng needs to attack every long ball.